Hey guys, just a quickish video. I know that means probably about 20 minutes, but quickish for me. I've got a light that is another thing I'm adding to my setup. This is a light with a softbox around it, which I've now figured out after doing a bit of research, after doing this for a year. It's the best lighting for this kind of video setup. So with that, I have not opened this. It came today while we were out, left on the doorstep. Good old Amazon. Luckily my son was in because he didn't come out with us. He never wants to come out with us. My wife's given me this little plec, which actually, it works quite well. Okay, now I'm not doing the overhead camera for this bit because I can't be arsed. No, because I just want to get this set up. And also we want to get this room tidied up a bit. So this is from Fgen. What the fucking hell? It's cool. There we go. Defeated by the bag before I've even actually got in there. Right. So what we've got in here is the, I'm guessing the light in a box, maybe the bulb. That's going to be the softbox. That's going to be for the wires. Instructions. Oh, it stinks. Oh, it smells like rubber. Oh, wicked. You get more of these little bags of sweets. No, they're not sweets. Do not eat these. God's sakes. There'll be someone who watches the video. Oh, I know I can eat them. No, you can't. These are to keep the moisture out. The fact they put 2 in there. Does this come from a very moist place? That's all you get in the bag. Probably will never need the bag again. Right, so I'm guessing this is the tripod. Look at that. Who says I don't know what I'm doing? Me, most of the time. Okay, so we get quite a... Ah, okay, so it folds up small. Jesus Christ, and they poke me fucking eye out then. So it folds up quite small because it folds in on itself. So that's kind of good. So I reckon that will be fine. So we'll do that up there. And then you've got your usual... Oh no, you haven't. I was going to say they're clip ones, but they're not. They twist. So you can get it exactly where you want it. That's pretty good. Right, so you know what? Let's get that a bit higher. And hopefully I'll be able to put it on there and you'll be able to see it. What's that? That's the bag. That's going to be the soft box. My wife has kind of been, not moaning, but she's says my setup looks a bit messier than she thought it was going to look. I'm not quite sure what she thought. Wait till she sees the big light. I might be divorced soon. Okay, so that is power cable with an on-off switch. Because the picture had a remote control. Yeah, there's a remote control there. What's in this box? Remote control in the box, and there is your light, which, as I said, oh, that's kind of cool. Big heat sink, metal heat sink, and this is again, it's got the warm white, soft light, white. You can change the Kelvin. Right, so this must be the soft part. Yeah, okay, so that velcros, and that's basically what's going to diffuse the light. Right, okay. Yeah. As I tell you always on this channel, read the instructions. No, in this instance I'm going to, because if it was just a light like one of them, I know how to use it. Turn it on, change, play with the knobs, and you're happy. Okay, oh, it comes with pictures. That's good because, right, open. Oh, fuck me, the writing is so small even with glasses on. Open the softbox and press the snap ring onto the lamp holder. Shit. I've got it on one side. I'm guessing. Once again, I'm guessing because that don't feel right because it's now stuck. Wow, I did not have. I didn't realise I'd have to have my Weetabix before doing this. Yes! I have the power! Right, so how the does this... Oh! There was me thinking, how does this go in? It's a screw. I just realised I need another plug socket now. How it's meant to be. And then you've got Velcro, so you put the corners on. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing, because as I say, I haven't got the top camera. Because at the moment I've got that monitor plugged out. There we go. So right, that now gets Velcroed there. That gets Velcroed. And that gets Velcroed. And there you can see we've got kind of like the softbox. This is going to diffuse the light. Now, I have not plugged this in, as you've seen. I've just undone it. I don't know how bright it is out of the box. So let's blind each other at the same time. I can plug it in over here for the minute. Actually, no. Getting ahead of ourselves. Let's put it on the tripod. Because I'm going to trip over this many, many times, as I've already done with the other tripods. So I'm now calling them tripods. Yes, no, phone a friend, not sure. Okay, and then that one needs to be done up. Then it should pull it up right. There we go. Right. So now we can plug it in and be blinded by this brilliance. Let's actually bring it down a bit so you can see. There we go, right there. I'm not getting up. Whoa. That is actually... Is that all the way up, do you reckon? I bet I need batteries. No! Oh yeah, that's from my light. I'm dangerous, right? That's gonna need batteries and I ain't got any up here. So, ever so sorry light, but for the minute, 100%, 25%. So that is as what bright as it goes. Cold, warm. So we can dim it down. Well, it dims down quite a lot actually. And hold it to go bright. Now obviously I'm probably going to have it higher up. So this is no light at all. Okay, this is just in the, well, the big light, the ceiling light is on, but as it's crap. It's about 40 watt bulb in there, it's shocking. So this is what it looks like with virtually no light. Window light. Okay, so I think I've now got the light where I kind of like it. Now is that the brightest again? That is the brightest. It's not quite as bright as I expected for an 85 watt bulb. I think that looks alright, but I'll tell when I put it on the computer exactly what it looks like. But yeah, hopefully that will be better. Why is that? Oh, I keep saying that, don't I? It's the bloody sun coming through. I always think, what's that on the wall behind me? It's the sun coming through the window, or reflections coming through the window. If not, if I have to have one of my lights on, that's not the end of the world. In fact, let's just do that before I run the dog over. Bugger off. What's your matter? Hey? What's up? I tell you, do you want to come up? You come up? Coming? Come on then. Yeah, there you go. Right. Mr. Bond, it is nice to see you again. Pretend you're a cat. Meow. Good boy. Cooper wanted to say hello. Didn't you? Eh? You want to say hello to the people? Look, say hello to the people. Say woof. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? You're a tit, you know that. You're a tit, but you're our tit. Yes. Alright? This is where you can do all your homework, alright? This is where you can, you know, message all them other them bitches that you've got on speed dial. Okay? Just don't download any viruses to my laptop, alright? You'll be fine. Right, you want to get down? You want to get down without jumping down and breaking your legs? Ah! Or using my balls as a springboard? Get. Okay, so this is now with... I'm doing this more for my benefit than yours when I watch the video back. This is now with the new light on full blast warm one of my old lights on full blast, warm. What do I think about this? I really hope that, I think that one will be alright on its own. But yeah, we'll go down and we'll have a look. How does it pick that up? Right guys, I've just been downstairs editing the light video and it just suddenly stopped. And now I remember I never recorded the end. So I've had to come back upstairs, put the lights back on, you know, camera back on, everything back on, just to record the final bit. I've never forgot to record the final bit before, but obviously I didn't think I would have finished, maybe. What do you think about this new light? Do you think it's better? I think the setup will be fine, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I could bring that light closer, actually, if need be. I could bring it closer. So yeah, the next few videos are probably going to be a little bit of trial and error while I get this exactly how I want it. What do you think about it? Worth it? Not worth it? Would you personally go with 2? Do you think 1's enough? Or would you go with a different brand, a different light, maybe a different style? Let me know in the comments. This video is probably going to be on a little 7-inch monitor I've got, now plugged into my camera. I've got a teleprompter coming up. I've got another couple of fans that have been sent to me from TBC Mall, which I didn't actually know much about, but it's a big site, man. It's a bloody big site, and they've got some good prices. And we've also got an action cam coming up very soon. Plus, we've got a shelf full of other stuff. So, yeah, the next few weeks are going to be really busy on RBT, which is Budget Tech, if you didn't know what that was. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of that. Please give this video a like if you have found it informative or enjoyable in some way or another. Even if you just enjoyed seeing the dog. You know, the rest of it's crap, but you saw the dog and you like dogs. You think, just give Cooper a like. Yeah, cheers. But yeah, I hope to see you again very, very soon in the next one. But for now, I will say bye-bye.